Hi, this is Chris Gallas, your Executive Director for the Bowling Proprietors Association of Pennsylvania. I have this great 1-minute video I'd love for you to watch about our upcoming management school on July 17th through the 19th in State College, PA. So please enjoy.
Does the center have too many bowlers? Is the center just printing money? If so, stop watching now. Like most people, you're looking to grow the business and increase profits. We can help provide you solutions in the 3-day custom content school for bowling center management coming to an area near you. Join the Bowling University team for a series of courses and workshops which are guaranteed to increase your bottom line. For information, visit your association's website or bowlinguniversity.net. Remember, space is limited, so register today and join us for the upcoming school near you.